Let's fix data not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to use data, either mobile, cell data, or even Wi-Fi data, I'm going to walk you through different steps to get that fixed, get everything up and running and working. Now, the first thing we'll do is we'll go into the settings on your iPhone and we'll tap on cellular here to make sure that we're checking all of that mobile data. You can see at the very top is cell data. Of course, if that's toggled on or off, if you want to toggle it back on, it will just fix everything. But what I'm going to do is turn it off and then just wait for a bit and then turn that back on. That will reconnect all of that mobile data to your iPhone. Now you can see cell data options. I'm going to tap on that and I turn on data roaming. Voice and data here, you want to make sure you have a fast option here like 5G auto or 5G on. And then data mode right here, we want to choose standard or allow more data in 5G. If you choose low data mode, that could cause your data to not be working very well or to be super slow. So go through all these steps and toggle these off and then on again and choose and make sure that you have data turned on. Now, the other thing that we can do is we'll scroll down and tap on privacy and security and then location services at the very top. Now, let's scroll to the very bottom and tap on system services. And you can see the second option here is cell network search. So I can toggle that off, which means it won't allow basically my iPhone to use my current location to find the best tower. Now, what we'll do is we'll turn off the phone from here. We'll tap the volume up, the volume down, and then tap and hold that power button, and that will force shut down my phone. And then you can just restart it, go back into this screen after you've restarted that phone, and we're going to toggle that back on. What this will do is it will reconnect to this cell network search so that it'll find the best tower so that you can connect to the best data and use basically the best mobile data. Now let's go back and there's another different thing that you can do. Let's tap on general here. And then if we scroll down, we'll hit transfer or reset iPhone. Now let's hit reset and then choose reset network settings. That will disconnect from all of and delete all the information from your Wi-Fi, from your mobile data, any of those different things. It will remove all that information and restart your phone. A lot of times this fixes any kind of bugs because it basically forces any kind of firmware updates with your cell carrier, and then on top of that allows you to reconnect to your Wi-Fi, to your mobile data, whatever it may be that's causing you to have data issues. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.